Hi there. Welcome back to our Bitsy tutorials. Today we're going to show you how to create your very first Bitsy link using the Bitsy URL shortener. It's super easy and will help you manage and share your links more efficiently. Let's jump right in. After logging in for the first time, you'll be greeted by your Bitsy dashboard. This is where you'll see all your Bitsy activities. On the dashboard, look for the Go to Bitsy Links button. This will take you to the page where you can create and manage your shortened links. Alternatively, you can access the Bitsy Links page anytime by clicking on the Bitsy Links option in the sidebar. This will take you back to the page where you can create, view, and manage your links. Clicking on that will bring you to the Bitsy Links page. Here you can start creating your shortened URLs. Now let's set up your first link. Click on the Create Bitsy Link button or use the keyboard shortcut Shift+C. You'll see a field where you can enter the long URL you want to shorten. Just paste your URL into this field. Once you've pasted your URL, you'll have the option to customize your shortened link. This means you can add a custom alias to make your link easier to remember or more relevant. Type your desired alias into the Custom Alias field. If the alias you choose is available, it will be added to your shortened URL. You can read more information about each field by hovering on the blue info icon. After setting your alias, click the Create Bitsy Link button. Your new shortened URL will be generated and displayed on the screen. You'll see your newly created link along with some options to copy it, share it, or edit it if needed. You can now use this shortened link to share your content more easily. And that's it. You've successfully created your first Bitsy link. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have any questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below and we'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching and happy linking with Bitsy.